Hey fellow riders, welcome back to Motor Ventures KE. Today we're diving into a quick and essential maintenance task that can breathe new life into your bike, recharging your K&N air filter. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about why your K&N air filter needs a recharge. Over time, these high-performance filters can get clogged with dirt and debris, affecting your bike's performance. But don't worry, it's a simple fix. Before we begin, make sure you have the necessary tools on hand. You'll need your K&N recharger kit, which includes the cleaning solution and the filter oil. Additionally, have some gloves and a clean cloth ready. First, open your bike's airbox and carefully remove the K&N air filter. Take a moment to inspect it. If it's excessively dirty or damaged, you might want to consider replacing it, but for routine maintenance, we'll just recharge it. These things are meant to last a lifetime, and this one looks pretty okay, so we'll just go ahead and recharge it. Next, spray the K&N power cleaner generously onto both sides of the filter. Allow it to soak for about 10 minutes. This powerful cleaner breaks down the dirt and grime, ensuring a thorough cleaning. It works pretty well. Next, gently rinse the filter with low pressure water. Avoid using high pressure hose to prevent damage. Once clean, shake off excess water and let it air dry completely. This might take a couple of hours, so be patient. Sometimes it might take a few minutes depending on the weather conditions really. Once it's dry, now it's time to oil it up. Apply the K&N filter oil evenly on both sides of the filter. The oil is crucial for trapping dirt and ensuring optimal filtration. Don't overdo it, a little goes a long way. My personal preference is to oil it from the inside so that the oil seeps out outside. The risk with oiling it from the outside inside as well is that sometimes the oil seeps into the airbox. You don't want to do that. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you have recharged your K&N air filter, giving your bike the breath of fresh air it deserves. Remember to check and clean your air filter regularly for peak performance. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more motorcycle maintenance tips. Ride safe out there, and until next time.